Poem. Where do all the teachers go? Draw a picture of a teacher and a child. Picture of a teacher. Picture of a house. Picture of a TV. Picture of a clock. Picture of socks. Answer the following. Why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? Answer. The poet thinks that his teachers are not ordinary persons. He looks upon them as super or special human beings, so he wants to know where they go and what they do after the school hours. Second one, what are the things normal people do that the poet talks about? Answer. Normal people return to their home, change their clothes, wash their faces and become fresh. They also rest for a while. Some of them go for shopping or help the children with their homework. What does he imagine about? Where teachers live, what they do at home, the people with whom they live, their activities when they were children in school. Answer. The boy imagines that the teachers live in joint families. They wash their socks, change into pajamas and then watch TV. They live with their parents. When they were at school going age, they too spelled the words incorrectly, chewed chocolates in the class and were punished. Fourth one, why does the poet wonder if teachers also do things that other people do? Answer. The boy regarded his teachers as special persons. They are his ideals, perfect in every respect, so he wonders if they also do things that other people do. Fifth one, how does the poet plan to find out? What will he do once he finds out? Answer. The poet plans to get first-hand information about his teacher. He plans to follow one of his teachers and find out what he or she does. Then he will record his findings in a poem for the benefit of other children. Sixth one, what do you think these phrases from the poem mean? Punishing in the corner, leave their greens. Answer. The teacher keeps an eye on all the students. In case he notices a boy eating chocolates in the classroom or making spelling mistakes, he asks the boy to stand in the corner as punishment. Some of the children don't eat their lunch in the full. They leave cooked green vegetables here and there or throw them into the dustbin. What does the children think about his or her teacher? Answer. For the children, the teacher is an extraordinary or mysterious person. Eighth one, what does he want to know about his teacher? Why? Answer. The children is inquisitive or curious to know about the routine of his teacher. Ninth one, how does the child compare his own daily activities with that of his teacher? Answer. The child goes back home in the afternoon, changes his uniform, picks his nose, watches TV and lives with his parent. What makes him envy his teacher? Answer. The child is mischievous. He spells the words wrongly. He is punished. If he ever steals a chocolate, he scribbles on the desk and soils his jeans. His teacher is free from such an unpleasant life. How does the child finally decide to observe his teacher's activities at home? Answer. The child plans to follow his teacher to his home and find out what he does. He will then write it in a poem for all children to read about and understand. Very short answer type. What does the poet think about his or her teachers? Answer. The poet thinks that his teachers are not ordinary people, they are very special for him. His teachers are perfect and possesses many qualities. Second one, what did the poet want to know about his teachers? Answer, the poet wanted to know the schedule of his teachers and their routine after the school hours. Third one, why did the poet want to follow one of his teachers? Answer, the poet was curious to know about the daily routine of his teachers after the school hours, so he wanted to follow one of his teachers. Fourth one, what is the theme of the poem? Answer, the theme of the poem is to show the curiosity of a child to know about his or her teacher's private life. For a small child, a teacher is not a simple person like others but a very special and ideal.